This video is about work and energy. You know, there is a difference in the way we use the word work in our daily life, and the word work is used in science. So there is a lot of work. Okay, we need energy. Okay, for doing work. Okay, suppose if we are carrying a load on our head. Okay, we are not carrying, but just we are standing is okay at one place and carrying load on our head, and we get tired. So, but we have done no work. Okay, in science, we have done no work. But in actually day-to-day life, we can say that we have done a lot of work because we get tired holding load on our head. Suppose if someone is pushing a big stone, and the stone does not move at all, and even if he gets tired, then according to physics or science, he hasn't done any work. Okay, so when a work will be done in physics, so when there is a displacement in the body, then the work is done in physics. Okay, suppose if somebody is pushing a big stone, and the stone moves, and there is a displacement in the stone, then he or she has done the work. Okay, so in our daily life we use the word work in some different way, but it is different. Okay, in science it is here the word we use in science. So, okay, so now here in the book, your book. Okay, just to make it clear here now, so let us take an example. Okay, there is a boy, Kamali, and is preparing for examination. She spends a lot of time in studies. She reads books, draws diagram, organizes her thoughts, collects questions papers, attends classes, discusses problems with her friends, and performs experiments. She expends a lot of energy in this activity. Okay, in common practice, she is working hard. All this hard work may involve very little work if you go by the scientific definition of work. Okay, even though she has done a lot of work for preparing the examination, but with respect to science, she hasn't. Okay, she has done a very little. Okay, very little means almost no work. Right. Okay. Okay. In the same way, you are pushing. Okay, you are working hard to push a huge rock. So let us say that rock does not move despite all the effort. You get completely exhausted. However, you have not done any work. Okay, on the rock, as there is no displacement in the rock. So so unless or until the rock moves by the application of force, you have done no work. So, now suppose if you stand still for few minutes with a heavy load on your head, you get tired. You have exerted yourself and have spent quite a bit of your energy, even though you have done no work, because there is no movement in carrying the load on your head. Okay, suppose someone climbs up steps of a staircase and reach the second floor of a building just to see the landscape from there. You may even climb up a tall tree. If we apply the scientific definition, these activities involve a lot of work because you are carrying yourself, okay, on the staircase. You are carrying yourself to climb, okay, uh, is to climb some top floor. It is so like this. It is so, okay. In these activities, you involve, okay, in activities involve a lot of work. So in daily to daily life, we consider any useful physical or mental labor as work. So activities like playing in a field, talking with friends, humming a tune, okay, watching a movie, attending a function are sometimes not considered to be work. So it's okay. So what constitutes work depends on the way we define it. We use and define the term work differently in science. Okay, so this is all about the work it is here. Next time I will make you understand in what way, okay, we can say that work is being done, okay, in science. So today this time.